Welcome to Encoding 101. This short tutorial will get you up to speed quickly on everything you need to know to produce high-quality online video. First, let's start with the basics. Each encoded video contains two major parts: codecs, compression-decompression algorithms which compress the video, and containers or formats, the file type that is output after the compression. Think of the formats as the shipping boxes, and the codecs are the goods inside. Examples of popular video codecs are H.264, VP6, VC1, MPEG-2, and many more. Examples of containers or formats include MOV, AVI, Windows Media, MP4, and so on. The majority of the video on the web is in the Adobe Flash format. Flash can contain three different codecs: Sorensen Spark, VP6, and H.264. There are pros and cons to each codec, but each will play universally on 98% of the web browsers around the world. Along with formats and codecs, one more thing that you'll need to understand before encoding your video for the web is delivery method. There are two methods in which to deliver your online video: progressive download and streaming. With progressive download, video begins playing on Flash Player load. The entire video needs to be downloaded before you can finish the video. This is the most pervasive method and is typically used for videos under 10 minutes in length. Streaming video is easier to navigate through because you can easily click play and seek to any point in the video. The file then begins downloading from that point. This method is typically used for long-form video. Now that you know the basics of encoding for the web, let's go over a few best practices. First, start with the best source. Always use video that hasn't been compressed. Encoding is a garbage in, garbage out process, so just don't bring the garbage in. The best practice is to use raw footage from your camera or uncompressed AVIs or MOVs from your editing system. Second, choose the best format for your audience. Within Sorensen Squeeze 6, there are many different formats to choose from. Inside of every format, you'll need to decide the frame size and data rate of the video. Squeeze has intelligent presets that take the guesswork out of encoding. This preset tells me that my output video will have a frame size of 640 by 360 with a data rate of 1500 kilobits per second using the H.264 codec. This will give me the flexibility and also the quality that I need. Third, don't forget about the audio. An old saying says that sound is half the picture. This is especially true for the low data rates of web video. Make sure you give the audio enough data to sound good. This level should be anywhere from 96 to 192 kilobits per second for the web. Fourth, delivery. Where do you want your video to reside when it's done encoding? In Squeeze, you can deliver your video directly to your AWS account by adding your credentials and applying the preset. You can also deliver your video to Sorensen 360, our online content management system, to FTP sites, local directories, and even applications, all simultaneously with these intelligent publish presets. Now you're ready to start encoding. By utilizing these best practices, you'll become an encoding pro in no time at all.